Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, hello, my name is Gabriella Wilson. If you guys are not new, welcome back. Today I am going to just be showing you how I did this sunset kind of like eye look. I don't know, I really like it. So let's just get started. So I'm going to be using the Aftershock from Bad Habit Beauty. This is this palette, and it's so pretty. It has literally every color. So I'm going to be using basically this yellow, orange, red, pink, and blue for this whole look. So it's gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna start off by using my JH32 brush, and I'm gonna be going in with this yellow brush. I'm gonna be going in with this yellow color called Electronica. It's a very vibrant color and I really like it, so I'm just gonna be using that, and I'm gonna go in my crease kind of above it too. You want to make sure to blend it all out. It's very vibrant. I really like this color. I don't normally never use yellows until I got this palette, and I'm obsessed with using yellows now. And then I'm going to carry it kind of like in a, kind of just making a tail after the eye from the crease, like so. Just to kind of make that gradual fade effect. And this part doesn't actually have to be perfect because you're just going to be going over with the next color, which is the orange, and you will see what I'm talking about when we are ready for the orange. I really like this palette just because it's so vibrant and it's not me. Like, I never used to do vibrant colors. I always kind of like a neutral kind of girl when it comes to makeup. So once that's done, I'm going to be taking the same exact brush and I'm going to be just dipping it into the orange one, which is called Chaser. And this one is a very, very bright orange. So I'm just going to be placing that literally right here into my crease, mostly. Very gently though. You don't want to, this is where you don't want to mess up. Because you don't want to go too above the crease because it will ruin the look. And then I'm just going to blend it out slightly into the crease, just creating that fade effect. But I'm not going to go all the way into my inner corner. I really want to just focus it from halfway while gradually fading it down, if that makes any sense. Oh my. This part takes forever because it's just basically blending. And then I'm going to also do the same thing that I did with the yellow and just gradually fade it towards the outside, like this, with the yellow, so that it has that effect. I love to do that with my shadows, just make it like fade out because I just think it's so beautiful. So once you're done with the orange and just blending it all together, Now you're going to take you're gonna create a winged liner. Now, when I first did this, I had I found this old blue gel liner that I wanted to use, but it ended up not working, so I had to actually go over the blue with my black liner. So I'm just gonna do that with this one. It's gonna create the same effect, but I'm going to try to make the same exact wing on this side that I have on this side, but let's just pray that it works out in the end. So sorry guys, I did my wing off camera because I could not do it. I suck at wings in general, so I had to actually look at a closer mirror. But for lashes, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be using the Kiss ones. They're called Poise, and I'm gonna be just putting it right on my lash line. I suck at lashes too, so bear with me. I think lashes are the hardest thing to accomplish. I'm just gonna put the band like so. This. All right. And now I'm just gonna wait. And I'm gonna grab a palette so I can actually see. And then I'm gonna put on some mascara. This is the Mary Kay Lash Love mascara. So I'm just gonna put that all over. And mascara is just gonna really help blend them in together to make them look somewhat real. And my lashes are a little bit off, but that is fine. I don't care. So next I'm gonna be taking this very blue color that's called Plur, and I'm going to be putting that under my eye as so, just towards like the middle, and just smoke it out. And I'm going to be using the JH39 brush to do that. And see, when I get over here, I'm just gonna smoke it a little. There we go. So after I smoked that out, I'm gonna be taking the red shade that is called Surge. I'm gonna be using this shade, this brush. It's from Beauty Accents. I don't know what it's actually called. And I'm just gonna be putting that on top of the blue, but towards the middle. And this is gonna create like a pinky kind of color, which is so pretty, like a purple almost. Then I'm going to be taking this blending eyeshadow brush from Beauty Accents again. This is a different one, and I'm going to be placing Tingle into my inner corner. I'm going to add some mascara to the bottom lines so that it can look more pretty. Now I'm going to do my face, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the finished results. I'm back, guys, with the finished look. I just added some sparkle right in my inner corner along with the pink, and I added some lipstick and did my whole face, all that good stuff. But yeah, so this is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below on what you guys want me to do next. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.